You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word and clarify the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more confusing words, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. From the name catharsis, this adjective is pronounced in English as cathartic. Ca-tha, with a th sound with your tongue between your teeth. Cathartic. The American pronunciation would be as cathartic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.